Hi, I'm Ryan Eingar, Chief Revenue Officer for Helium 10, the #1 all-in-one Amazon seller platform. Helium 10 has been serving Amazon sellers since 2015. Our founders were successful Amazon sellers themselves, and they know from experience not only the tools that sellers need to succeed, but just how competitive this space is as well. That's why Helium 10 software empowers sellers with everything they need to take their business to the next level. From staying on top of product and keyword research, to financial analysis, to Amazon advertising campaigns, and more. And now, I'm so pleased to announce that the industry's most complete software just got even more powerful. Helium 10 has integrated with the #1 sourcing platform in the world, Alibaba.com. We know what it takes to be a successful seller, and a critical component is sourcing great products from reliable manufacturers. Our partnership with Alibaba will help sellers discover great product opportunities and immediately find the manufacturers that can supply them. In the words of one of our customers, quote, "The best sourcing site plus the best seller tool, what could be better for entrepreneurs?" And I couldn't agree more. Let's take a closer look at just how the Helium 10 and Alibaba partnership comes to life for sellers.
Helium 10 is pleased to introduce 2 exciting new additions to our Chrome extension, and they can help Alibaba.com users as well as Amazon sellers. The first one is the Alibaba Demand Analyzer. So let's say that you're searching for a coffin shelf here on Alibaba, and whether you are or aren't yet an Amazon seller, you're curious if there's demand for this keyword on Amazon. Well, now right here on Alibaba.com, you can hit the Demand Analyzer from our Chrome extension, and instantly you're going to get a lot of great information as to what is going on with this keyword on Amazon. For example, you can see that it's searched for about 8,000 times a month. You could see some of the top products for coffin shelf from Amazon, and you can even see trending related keywords to coffin shelf also from Amazon. Now, conversely, if you're already on Amazon and perhaps doing some product research or maybe wanting to find a supplier for something that you found, like this wooden egg tray keyword here, again, you can hit this Chrome extension and you're going to open up X-Ray, and from there you can now hit this new button called Source on Alibaba.com. This is the Alibaba Supplier Finder, and right in here you can see the results of what is showing up for wooden egg tray on Alibaba.com. And you can even use the Alibaba filters such as age of the account, verified supplier, and more. So make sure to use both the Alibaba Supplier Finder and the Alibaba Demand Analyzer to both streamline your sourcing process for Alibaba.com and explore demand on Amazon.
During March Expo, log on to Helium 10 and use our powerful all-in-one software to identify and validate products for your business, then seamlessly source them on Alibaba.com. And through the end of March, you'll be able to get free or discounted shipping from Alibaba. For our part, Helium 10 is offering 50% off new subscriptions using the code Alibaba50. As always, you can try out our product research for free today. Helium 10 has continued to build and empower our community, and I was humbled this year to serve our 1 millionth customer. I'm so excited at the possibilities our new partnership can unlock for sellers everywhere. But we're only just getting started. We want to invite everyone to go further this year to identify new product possibilities with Helium 10 at March Expo. And as a reminder, you can use code Alibaba50 all month long to get 50% off your first month of Helium 10. We want to thank Alibaba for being a great partner in our shared mission of empowering the world's entrepreneurs. Thank you all for being here. I'm Ryan Eingar, and this is Helium 10.